Question number 2 of exercise 13.2. Russell, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its both ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Here it is given, assume that the outer and inner dimension of the model to be nearly the same. So let us see the solution of this question. So in this model of solid, you can observe that there is a cylinder consisting two cones at both the end of this cylinder. As the total height of the solid is 12 centimeter and the height of each conical part being 2 centimeter. The diameter of the cone as well as the cylinder is given 3 centimeter. It is clearly observed, it is clearly seen there in the figure. So the height of the cylindrical part is 8 centimeter, as 8 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12 is the total height of this object. So in this, the radius of each of the cylinder as well as the cone will be 1.5 centimeter. So dear students, in this we are going to find out the volume of air contained this model. Means to find the volume of air in this model will be equals to the volume of both the cone plus volume of the cylinder. So let us see the solution of this question. Okay friends, welcome to you all again in my session. Today we are going to learn the solution of few questions of exercise 13.2. See the solution of the question number 2. In this, a solid contains a cylinder attached cones on both the ends. So the diameter of the cone as well as the cylindrical part is, since diameter of the cone as well as cylindrical part is given 3 centimeter. So radii, so the radius of both will be 3 by 2 centimeter. Height of the cone and height of the cone is equals to 2 centimeter and the height of cylindrical part is equals to 8 centimeter, as it is clearly visible in the figure, right? To find the air contains this solid is equals to the volume of the solid. So volume of the air, in the solid is equals to the volume of the solid, or you can say volume of solid, and this solid contains volume of cylinder plus 2 multiplied by the volume of cones. Okay, so let us substitute the formulas of this volume of cylinder is, as you know, pi r square into h, that is the height of the cylinder, which is 8 centimeter. This you can say capital H if you will taking. So this is, you just write it capital H plus 2 multiplied by the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square and h, which is the height of the cone, which is 2 centimeter, right? So let us substitute the values. Pi, radius of this is 3/2 centimeter, square into height of this is 8 plus 2/3 pi r square 3/2 whole square into height is 2 centimeter cube. Okay, so let us simplify it. This can be written as pi into 3 3s are 9/4 multiplied by 8 plus 2/3 pi into 9/4 multiplied by 2 cubic centimeter. So let us simplify. 4 2s are 8 and here 2 2s are 4 is cancelled and 3 3s are 9. So we got 9 2s are 18 pi plus here it is only 3 is remaining, so 3 pi cubic centimeter. So let us substitute the value of 18 pi plus 3 pi is equals to 21 pi. 21 pi and the value of pi is 22/7 cubic centimeter. So 7 3s are 27. We got our answer 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6 cubic centimeter is the answer of this question. That is the volume of air contains this solid having cylindrical part as well as attached on both the end, the attached cone on both the ends. So to find the volume of air in this solid, that we have to find out the volume of solid, and this solid contains a cylinder and 2 cones. So the volume of cylinder plus 2 multiplied by the cones, volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 multiplied by the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Here small h is the height of the conical part and capital H is the height of the cylindrical part. After solving, we got 66 cubic centimeter is the volume of the solid, or you can say is the volume of air contains this solid. See the question number 3 of this exercise. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. So dear students, first we will understand the figure of this question. After that we have to find out the approximately sugar syrup, amount of sugar syrup there in such 45 gulab jamuns. Friends, in the figure you can observe that there is a cylindrical container in which few gulab jamuns are kept. As in the given in the question, that each gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. So here let us see the figure of each gulab jamun. In this figure you can see that it is a shape of each gulab jamun. This gulab jamun consists two hemispherical ends and one cylindrical shape. The total length of this gulab jamun is 5 centimeter and the radius of both the end of the cylinder as well as the hemispherical shape is 1.4 centimeter. So to find the length of the cylindrical part, we have to subtract 2.8 from 5, so we will get the length of cylindrical part in this gulab jamun, or this is the length of cylindrical part, or you can say the height of the cylinder. Okay, so after that we have to find out the approximate sugar syrup in the total 45 such gulab jamuns. So friends, let us see and calculate what will be the amount of sugar syrup in such 45 gulab jamuns. Okay dear friends, so let us see the solution of this question. In this, it is given for the gulab jamun, the radius of hemispherical part is equals to 1.4 centimeter and the length of cylindrical part is length of cylindrical part is equals to 5 minus 2.8, which is equals to 2.2 centimeter, and the radius of this is equals to also 1.4 centimeter. So to find the volume of this one gulab jamun is equals to, so the volume of one gulab jamun is equals to, as you know, this gulab jamun consists cylindrical part attached hemisphere at both the end. So there is two hemisphere and plus one cylindrical part. So the volume of one gulab jamun is equals to 2 multiplied by the volume of hemisphere plus the volume of cylindrical part. So you know that the volume of hemisphere is 2 into 2 upon 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder is pi r square into h. So let us substitute the values. This is 4 by 3 pi r cube, radius is 1.4 cube plus pi, radius is 1.4 square, and this is the height means length of the cylindrical part, which is 2.2 cubic centimeter. So let us simplify. Four by 3 pi, we just take the common, into 1.4 cube plus 1.4 square into 2.2 into pi cubic centimeter. So it is 1.4 whole square, also you can take the common from this. So pi into 1.4 whole square taken the common. So we will get 4/3 into 1.4 plus 2.2 cubic centimeter. Now substitute the values of pi. 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.4 into 1.4 multiplied by 14 4s are 56, 5.6 divided by taken 3 as LCM plus 3 2s are 6.6 cubic centimeter. So let us simplify this. 7 2s are 0.2, this is 4 4s are 22, 2s are 44, 4.4 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by, this can be written as 6 plus 6 is 12, 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 1 is 12 upon 3 cubic centimeter. So now we have to multiply this. 14 4s are 56, carry 5, 14 4s are 56 plus 5 is 61, means we got the value is 6.16 multiplied by 12.2 divided by 3 cubic centimeter. Now we need to multiply this and divide by 3. So 6.16 multiplied by 12.2, 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 2s are 12. Okay, again 2 3 2 1 and 6 1 6, add 2 3 2 5, 3 2 5 6 11, 2 2 4 1 5 and 7, decimal will be, means 75.152, 75.152 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, now 1 0 5, 3 5s are 15, 2 0 3 6 are 18, means we got 25.056 cubic centimeter is the volume of one gulab jamun. So as you know that there are 45 such gulab jamuns, so we need to find out the volume of 45 such gulab jamun. As the volume of one gulab jamun is 25.056 cubic centimeter is the volume of one gulab jamun. So volume of such 45 gulab jamuns, therefore volume of 45 such gulab jamuns is equals to 45 multiplied by 25.056 cubic centimeter. So let us multiply this number by 45. 25.056 multiplied by 45. 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28, 5 5 are 25, 5 to the 10 plus 2 12, 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20 plus 2 22, 4 5 are 20, 4 2 are 8 plus 2 is 10. So let us add it. 0 8 4 12, 4 4 2 2 4 1 5, 7 2 1 and 1, having decimal at this point, means 1127.52 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of such 45 gulab jamuns. As in the question it is given that there are 30% of sugar syrup in it. So the amount of sugar syrup is equals to, therefore amount of sugar syrup, so the amount of sugar syrup in it equals to 30% of this 1127.52 cubic centimeter. So 30% means 3 upon 10 multiplied by 1127.52. So this is 3 multiplied by 112.5752 cubic centimeter. Let us multiply it. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 is 22 point, 3 6s are 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 cubic centimeter. So your answers would be, the amount of sugar syrup is sugar syrup in it is 338 cubic centimeter is our required answer of this is. So dear friends, as the gulab jamun contains one cylindrical part attached to hemispherical part at both the end of the cylinder. So we have to find out the volume of, first of all we need to find the volume of one gulab jamun. So volume of one gulab jamun, after getting it, that is 2 multiplied by the volume of hemisphere, means 2 hemisphere plus the volume of cylindrical part. After getting these volumes, as we got 25.056 cubic centimeter is the volume of one gulab jamun. As there in the container there was 45 such gulab jamuns, so we have to find the volume of 45 gulab jamuns, which is 1127.52 cubic centimeter. After getting it, amount of sugar syrup in it as it is given in the question, that is the 30% part of this. So 30% part of this volume we got, that is 338 cubic centimeter approx is the amount of sugar syrup in that total 45 gulab jamuns.